Have a look at those results, guys. I always start off by cleaning the surface I'm working on. We've got 400 grit sandpaper that we're going to sand the bumper with. I forgot to hit record on the first coat of paint. As you can see, the first coat of primer is on and it's nice and patchy. The first coat is always nice and light, just gives the other coats something to stick onto. The second coat, you see some of the patches from the first coat will start to disappear. You want to try and overlap your passes. The primer dries rough and it needs to be lightly sanded so it's nice and smooth. Just going to give the bumper a little wipe with an alcohol wipe before we get to painting. Just putting on the first light coat of paint. I left it 30 minutes in between coats. After 3 coats I had really good coverage. Sometimes you might have to put on 4 coats. I left it 1 hour before I started putting on the clear coat. The first coat of clear is always nice and light. You don't want to put too much clear coat on because if you put too much your clear coat will run. The second coat is a bit heavier than the first coat. So this is how the job came out. Barely any orange peel. So there is a few imperfections here and there on the bumper. So I'm gonna give it a little compound and polish. What I've done is I've already taken out my 1500 grit and we've sanded some of the clear coat down. Lightly sanded down the clear coat with 1500 grit, and then we're just going to compound and polish it. That is the end of this video. This will be getting installed after the front end for the GTI goes on first.